What's up, kid? Here we are at the Holiday Inn in Bowling Green, Kentucky. I think it's called the Holiday Inn Convention Center, something to that effect. 601. So, showing a little bit of the lobby here to start off. We're on the 6th floor, obviously. This elevator is well lit, so sorry for the glare there. But you can see just a place to hang out. There is a breakfast buffet. And then there is it's $15 or something like that. And then there is also another restaurant bar area down there. But anyway, here we go. Room 601. This is a pure wellness room. So let's take a tour. All right. So come on in and we'll start off here in the bathroom. So if we're looking here, we do have a sink, and then a long counter space. So plenty of counter space there, that's for sure. We do have here some hand wash. Why is this picture so bad? There we go. Some hand wash and some body lotion, along with makeup remover wipes. Toilets in fine shape, bathtub. It's kind of funny. So they got like an old mat here, and then they got another mat on top of that. So like just kind of haphazardly thrown on there. You can see again, not the highest end, but looks clean. And then here we go, the first feature of the wellness room. So it does have a water purifier. And then over here though we have the Dove soap or body wash, I guess I should say, shampoo and conditioner. So let's go on into the main room. Over here, ironing board and iron, a couple of hangers, nothing fancy. TV is on the smaller end, but the picture's good. Again, a little bit small, but overall, I'll take a good picture in a little bit smaller TV. Then look here at the coffee. We have 2 regulars and a decaf here for the Keurig. Desk area, once again, a little bit on the small end. But again, it'll be fine for tonight. It does have an outlet right here. Oh, I should say on the TV. The TV does have a mount here. So swivel mount, move it around, easy access for the HDMI ports, all that good stuff. So, no complaints there. We do have the air purifier. So another part of this pure wellness room. So the air purifier. We do have here, obviously, a mini fridge just out in the middle of the thing. No microwave, but not really concerned about that. Looks like there was a spot here for a microwave, kind of like there's this little indentation here, but they do not have one. It is 2 queen beds. You look over here, no outlets. We do have here in the middle 2 outlets. And then over here on this side, once again, actually I take it back. I didn't see these. So we do have some outlets there. And then here is some more info on the Pure Room stuff. You can pause that if you want to read it. And then we do have a thermostat here on the wall. And then outside, you can see it does kind of overlook a golf course if you strain your head the right way, strain your neck the right way. So little practice greens there. But if you look down, it's kind of hard to see with the glare, but there is the actual golf course. So there you have it. This is the Bowling Green, Kentucky Holiday Inn Convention Center. So until next time.